Hi Taurus, I'm Anisha. You can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for April 2012. There's a lovely planetary lineup for you Taurians this month. We have Sun that is there in Aries for most of the first half of the month, and on the 19th it moves into your sign. And it's going to be touching your 12th house, that is a house of everything that is behind the scenes. It's about intuition, it's about gut, it's about research. So a lot of you are going to be focusing in the end part of the April, on things which are more behind this scene really. They're more confidential, more psychic, more intuitive. You would be feeling a lot more intuitive as well. We have Mercury that goes direct on the 4th, and thank God for that. Mercury is going to be bringing its entire communication benefits along with it. So, for a lot of you who have been or may have been struggling with emails or correspondence, or have been waiting to hear from a client or from a close partnership, some form of information that has just not been able to let your work move forward, the work will start moving now. It's going to gain a little bit of momentum at this point of time. Mars also goes direct on the 14th, and that's great news. It's going to be transiting your 5th house, and that's a beautiful place. It rules your love, relationships, family, children. So, a lot of you are going to be feeling quite sensuous this month. You're going to be attracting a lot of attention. You are going to be attracted to the opposite sex a lot this month. So, there's going to be a lot of partying, meeting up with friends, at the social do's. So, a lot of you are going to be putting a lot of emphasis on the outer self, on I think that there's also somewhere a need to feel loved. So a lot of you who have been, sitting in sort of, I would say, end of last month and not really been going out and socializing. It's really moving out more into the social space. It's a good time to date as well. So for those of you who are single, I would say that get out there and socialize and hang out with your friends. There are chances that you could meet somebody very interesting at this point of life. The 5th house also rules children, so it's a lovely time to be spending quality time with your children. Your children would bring you a lot of joy, either through accomplishments or you just spending time with them. For those of you who have been wanting to get pregnant, it's a great time as well to be making babies. A lot of you would be more fertile than usual around this point of time. The only caveat over here is communication. Around the 16th, with all the Martian energy that has been lying dormant, and with Aries just Mars coming fully into focus and just coming direct, the entire emotions, energy, the pent-up frustrations, it may just get a volcanic release. So be careful about 16th or 17th in your communication. Whom is it that the words or the conversation is directed to? You may just let it off and have a huge regret later on. So try not to lose your cool this month, Taurian, especially mid-month. We also have a beautiful full moon that is there in Libra on the 6th, and this is a time that you're going to be putting your closest relationships, partnerships under the scanner. I will be reviewing this in great detail in my love and relationship video. However, it's a great time to be acknowledging, accepting and transforming relationships and areas of your life which can do with a lot of improvement. It's a great time. It's a great time to be starting a new diet, a new exercise regime. Maybe meditation. I think for a lot of you who have been exploring and thinking of various things to do, it's a great time to look at yoga, or maybe trying your hand at meditation. It'll do you well, Taurians. So have a great month. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.